Today we are going to discuss the diverse and versatile orchid flower. The orchid family, also known as Orchidaceae, is one of the most diverse and fascinating plant families in the world. With over 25,000 species, orchids are found in every continent except Antarctica, and in virtually every habitat from rainforests to deserts. Orchids come in a wide range of sizes, shapes, colors, and scents, making them highly prized by gardeners, collectors, and florists alike. One of the most famous orchids is the vanilla orchid, which is the only orchid that produces an edible fruit. Vanilla is widely used in cooking and baking, and its distinctive flavor and aroma are beloved by many. Other popular orchids include the Cattleya, which is known for its large, showy flowers, and the Phalaenopsis, which is often called the moth orchid due to its resemblance to a moth in flight. Orchids are also known for their intricate and often highly specialized reproductive mechanisms. Many orchids rely on specific pollinators, such as bees, moths, or hummingbirds, to ensure that their flowers are fertilized. Some orchids even mimic the appearance and scent of their pollinators to attract them more effectively. Despite their beauty and diversity, many orchid species are threatened by habitat loss, climate change, and overharvesting. Conservation efforts are underway to protect orchids and their habitats, and many orchid enthusiasts and organizations are working to promote sustainable cultivation and trade practices. In conclusion, the world of orchids is incredibly versatile and diverse, with something to offer for everyone. From the prized vanilla orchid to the showy Cattleya, these fascinating plants are a testament to the incredible complexity and beauty of the natural world. The links for the orchid flower can be found in the description below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.